See, question is 1 divided by 11 minus 2 root 30. This whole root is there, this here.
Yes, sir. It's like that only.
And minus 3 divided by root over 7 minus 2 root 10 minus 4 divided by root 8 plus 4 root 3. Okay. So if you are going to multiply this, what do you get? 1 divided by squaring both sides, what do you get? Squaring numerator and denominator, you will get like this only, no? 11 minus 2 root 30.
Yes, sir.
So squaring, nothing will happen. If you are squaring top and bottom, no problem, right? See, 2 by 4 you write. If you're squaring both top and bottom, it becomes same only, right? 4 by 16. So no problem. You can write like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now we can rationalize if you want into 11 plus 2 root 30 divided by 11 plus 2 root 30. Again minus 3 divided by same as squaring here also. So this become 9. So 9 divided by 7 minus 2 root 10 multiply by 7 plus 2 root 10. 7 plus 2 root 10. Okay. Minus 16 divided by 8 plus 4 root 3 multiply by 8 minus 4 root 3 divided by 8 minus 4 root 3. So again you can write 11 plus 2 root 30. Root 30 can be written as anything else. Okay, we'll do in the last. Root 30 and what you can write for 121 minus 2 to the 4. 4 3s are 12. 120, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 9 7s are 63. 63 and plus 18 root 10. And this is 49. Minus 2 to the 4. 4 10s are 40.
40.
Okay. Achha, this is easy only, right? See, you just take 9 as it is. 1 minute, 1 minute. So 9 as it is, you write. In bracket, you write here. 7 plus 2 root 10. This will get cancelled, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then minus 16 in bracket, you write 8 minus 4 root 3. 8 8 is 64 minus 4 4 is 16 3 is 48, right?
Yes.
64 minus 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48. All right. So here this will again get cancelled, correct, with 16. So 11 plus 2 root 30 minus 7 minus 2 root 10 minus 8 plus 4 root 3. 11 minus 7 minus 8. So 11 minus 15 minus 5. Root 30
Sir,
what we
minus
can?
4.
No, minus
Sir,
4.
minus 4.
Okay, minus 4. So minus 30 what we can write for root 30? Root 30 we
Sir,
can.
nothing you can write. So root 30 is root 30. You can't simplify it, sir.
Okay.
15 into 2 or 5 into 3 into 2.
So you can't do that, right? So 4 plus 2 root 30. 1 minute. What is the answer they have given? Like this only the answer they have given.
No, sir, there's no answer like particularly given for this.
Or you can do one more thing. If it is, you can match like this. Plus 2 root 10 you can take common. And you can write 1. Sorry.
Sir, could you go to the options first once?
Option is there.
Yes,
Option
sir.
is there. So root 30 is there. 2 root 10, 1 and 0. We are not doing any mistakes now anywhere. 8 minus 4 root 3. 16.
So can we do one thing or like 11 minus 2 root 3 can be written off some square, right? Can we do it like that?
Which one? 11 minus?
20 minus 2 root 30. Wait, so let me tell you. So I guess it's the square of. No, sir, you can't write it like that.
1 minute.
No, sir, you can write like root 5 plus root 6 square, right?
Root 5, which one? Root 5 plus root 6 whole
11
square.
minus 11 minus 2 root 30, root 5 plus root 6, or root 5 minus root 6 square.
Root 5 minus root 6
Yes,
square.
sir, square.
Wow, super. So what you will get? Okay, very good, very good. So 5 plus 6 and minus 2 root 30.
So
Very
11.
nice. Yeah, correct.
Sir,
Similar,
sir, I couldn't get for 8 plus 4 root.
the second part you got.
Yes, sir, second part I got, sir. It's root 5 plus root 2.
Root 5 plus root 2.
Root 5 minus root 2, sorry.
Root 5 minus root 2 whole square.
Yes, sir, whole square.
And here,
Here, sir, I have to think, sir.
but by the help of this one, what do we get? We can't do anything, right? Hey, this is, but this will not come. No, 2ab if you do 2ab, the 2 root 10. Correct. And here, root 3.
Sir, can we write it as root 6 plus root 6 plus root 2? Root 6 plus root.
Yes, so we can do like that.
So 6 plus 2 plus 12 will come, no? 2 root 12 will come, correct?
No, sir, 4 root 3 only will come, right?
Acha, if you do that, it will come 4 root 2, 12. This
So
becomes
we
4.
can-
That also we can do, correct.
Yes, sir.
So here what we can write minus.
Sir, 2 people are entered in the waiting room, sir, in a message.
Acha, enter the meter. But here is they can't see now.
Okay,
Nobody.
sir, it is on sir 7, 6. Okay.
What 7, 6? What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Someone has messaged
Yes, sir.
in the group, WhatsApp group.
No, sir, on personally, sir, on 7, 6.
So 7, 6 you are saying. Okay, then here, but if you expand this, you'll get minus 6 plus 2 and plus 4 root 3. But here this is bracket, no, Priyanshu, the what, the what we can do here, minus only should write over here.
Sir,
Right.
what?
Here only minus you should write.
Sir,
And here-
where? No, sir, the original term is root 8 plus 4 root 3, right?
But here we opened that, no, plus 4 root 3 plus. If you open, if you write in bracket, something you're writing means.
No, sir, I'm telling you directly, you do it from there only, sir.
Acha, here only, directly here.
Yes, sir.
So that only we should write root 6 minus root 2 whole square, correct?
No, sir, at the starting of the question only.
Acha, here,
Oh, yes, sir.
starting only here you can say.
Yes, sir, that's what I was saying.
Acha. So this can be written as, so instead of all this part, denominator part everywhere is cancelling, right? So what I'll do right now, no, I'll just removing all these things. Okay. So what I'll do right now, simply cancel this one cancel, this is cancelled already. So 11, so this we can write it as what? 5 plus 6. Root 5 plus root 6 whole square, you're saying now. Minus, in here what you can write? 5 plus 2 whole square, and here root 6 plus root 2 whole square. Like this only. Here is minus, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Here minus will come. Now what we can do? Now you should expand again. Again the 6 expands, then what do you get? Expand same thing again, we get the same thing, right? And here If
So
you-
what, sir? Could you repeat once?
I'm saying if you expand, you will get the same thing previous
No,
one.
no, sir. I to expand this root, right? So that root will get cancelled.
Hmm.
That above root will get cancelled, right?
Ha. Okay.
Yes, sir. So that's why I was thinking we can do like that.
Hmm. Now after this, what we can do? Squaring value will get changed on squaring. So you should take root also, right? If you take root, see, we have taken root here. No, squaring we have done. So take complete root. If you're taking a squaring, you should take complete root, right?
Yes, sir.
So this become only root 5 plus root 6.
Yes, sir. Like
This
that.
become root 5 minus root 2. This become minus root 6 plus root 2, correct?
Yes, sir. That's how I was
So
saying.
this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Answer is 0. Wow. Where you got this question, Nihar? Very nice question is this.
Sir, I've sent you one question, sir, on WhatsApp.
So,
Acha.
like, how did you conclude that it's 0?
All get cancelled, no?
No, sir, but the above thing is also there, no?
Which above? Which
Sir, the numerator is also there, no?
which one?
Numerator. Like for 3 and 4 and 1 are also there, right?
So this only we solved no completely. We solved complete only now.
Sir, so
See,
where,
see from starting, I'm telling you, we have rationalized before on squaring, taking all the things.
sir, could you tell me once again, please?
Yeah, see, first we have squared this one, right? This one we have squared, okay? So we got this much. It's fine.
Yeah, first you have squared, okay.
And here also is squared of that one. This
Okay.
also is squared. Now
Okay.
rationalization part we have done. Rationalization here. Okay. Next, what we have done? We have solved this rationalization part. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And if you should do a squaring means we should take root also. Here also we got this form. The square everywhere square will get cancelled if you take root. Can we take root? The square will get
Yes.
cancelled.
Okay, sir, but then after rationalization, we got 1 as the denominator, 9 and 20 18.
That got cancelled no here only. See, that got here cancelled no denominator part. See 49 minus 40 is 9. The 9 and get cancelled here only.
Okay.
Here so 16 is coming
Oh,
denominator. This also 16 get cancelled, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
So denominator part nothing is there only, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Is it clear, Shriyanvi? Priyanshu?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice question. This one is
Sir, I've sent you one question, sir, on WhatsApp.
yeah, I listened already. Wait for 1 minute. Let me this. This is easy also question. 1 minute, I'll come Priyanshu to you. We're having 15 minutes only. I'm having other class. Anyway, I'll just solve fast only. You are also having tomorrow test only, Priyanshu?
No, sir.
What is this? No.
Sir, your laptop is getting hanged, sir.
No, it's not
Yes,
getting.
before when you're highlighting it, it was coming after much later, sir. So I couldn't see it. Now,
Sir, this is not my question, sir.
This is your question.
No, sir.
Hey, Priyanshu, I can answer you, not a problem. Don't worry. If it is not possible, I'll call you and ask you, or I'll send you. What
Sir,
you
this is not my question, sir. I've sent you another question.
I have seen yours. He has sent. He is having exam. No, those for that reason I was solving his questions.
Oh,
Okay, I'll just take you in separately. No problem, Priyanshu. Or I'll solve and send you back on the WhatsApp only. Okay.
okay.
Don't worry. So now see here, x and y is equidistance from C, Nihar. This
Yes.
is the coordinates 6, -1, and this is 2, 3. So this is x1, y1 you let, and this is x2, y2. Okay. And xy is the midpoint over here in the between. To find the value of x minus y, they are asking, right? So you should find the value of x and y first. So how to find x, x is equal to, if this is a midpoint, you can write x1 plus x2 divided by 2. It's clear to you, Priyansh, Nihar?
yes, sir.
and this is the y1 plus y2 by 2. So you can, if you solve here, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 2 is 4. And here if you see, minus 1 and 3 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So you'll get 4 minus 1, that is 3. Answer is 3. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
And here one more thing you understand here, if it is not a midpoint, then what you should do? Okay.
Yes, sir. That's not a midpoint then.
That's it. Here m and n you let, and this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so what do you do here? One formula you remember, x is equal to mx2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. You can write somewhere if you want. And y is equals to m y1, sorry, this is y2, no, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So same formula we have used here also. If it is a midpoint, what I'm taking, you know, m and n, I'm taking a 1 and 1. Okay, Nihar,
Yes, sir.
this same formula I'm
Okay.
using over here. Instead of m and n, I'm taking 1 and 1 because it's the same ratio. Okay,
Okay, okay. Sir, so in this m and n are not equal, right?
no, m and n is any ratio, any
Okay.
ratio, any ratio, 2:3, 5:9, anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So this is a part of class 10th actually. 10th you have to read class coordinate like this. Okay.
Yes, sir. They asked too much outside
Yeah.
questions, sir.
Yeah. 10th at least you should knowing. 10th also you just be clear. That is best. Okay. So next one is so next question is collinear. Collinear means area of triangle will be 0. See, this is one question. Here,
Sir, but, here 0 is not the option, sir.
no, I'm saying that collinear area of the triangle. Collinear
Yeah.
means, you know, collinear means
Yes,
all
sir.
lines lie on the same line,
Same
right?
line, same plane. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here 1, 1, p, 0 and 0, q are on the same line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how to answer this is
Sir,
a,
but the line can be slanting and vertical and anyways, right?
yeah, anyway, no problem.
Sir.
So if you find area of this, no, this also you can take area of ABC, you can find the area of triangle. You remember area of triangle is equals to half x1 and bracket right y2 minus y3, then plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 and y1 minus y2. See how, what I'm just, area of the triangle, this is having some area, right? If it is having like this, correct, Nihar? If it is
Yes.
having area, this value will come something. If all the points are collinear, it means that area of triangle is equal to what? 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you put the value here, no, this all, this should come what? 0.
Okay.
If they've given area of the triangle 0, you put and solve here. 1 by 2, x1, y1, you let here x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Now put the value here. X1 is 1 bracket y2, 0 minus q plus x2. X2 is p. Y3 is q minus 1 plus x3, that is 0 into something is 0 only. Now you'll get this becomes 0. This will go this side. So 1 minus q is minus q and plus pq minus p. This much is coming now. So what will come here? PQ minus P minus Q. So what is coming? This is equals to 0. So P plus Q is equal to PQ. Then P. Achha, 1 by P plus 1 by Q they're asking now here.
Yes.
So 1 by P plus 1 by Q. How to get here 1 by P? Yeah, divide by PQ do, okay? Divide by PQ do. So what do you get? Divide by PQ both side, not a problem, right, Nihar?
Yes, sir. That won't matter.
So minus 1 by P you get and plus 1 and plus minus 1 by q you get. Correct. All sign you just make it change only. All sign you can make it change. You can write here 1 by p plus 1 by q is equals to 1. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Answer is 1. Means you send 1 by p and 1 by q to the other side and you will get 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
One more thing you can do. AB,
Sir, is there any other way to solve this also?
see AB plus BC is equals to AC. Like this also you can try. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Actually, we are not here. Is not sure. No, which is small, which is bigger. Actually, in this case, AC is the biggest one. We don't know which is actually here. These three are. This is coming last or this is coming last, right? Means this coordinates we don't know, no, which is coming before, which is coming last.
Yes, sir.
Who knows? This C is in middle. Then we can't do this formula, no.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm not believing on this. But most of the time they'll give this one only. This like only like continuous they will give. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it's clear how to do this collinear part.
Yes, sir.
It's clear,
And
Priyansh.
sir, after class, could you post the recording once?
Yeah, immediately today I'll post.
Sir, in WhatsApp you post, sir. Google Classroom, I'm not able to see, sir. WhatsApp, could you post?
Wise up actually what happens? No, recording will be there, but if we can't we can't upload on the YouTube and all, and the link also will not go. Link also can't be put in the Google Classroom actually.
Sir, so is it possible if you can send?
What, Nihar?
This download.
Sir, is it
This
possible?
record.
Can you, if you could send the link to my personal WhatsApp?
Yeah, I'll send you.
Yes, sir. I'll just message you after class, sir.
Achha,
Sir, we
okay.
can't see the record in Google Classroom, sir, or on YouTube.
Google Classroom put the link actually of every day's link I post. If you put see IMO is there, no IMO. In go in
Yes.
IMO, every day recording will get except last class.
Okay.
IMO you just go because we are doing from IMO, from so many days. Next question. This question is also easy only. You are having this question you might having Nihar. Can you see this question?
Yes, sir.
So this is easy only. Okay. So there are two equations. Okay.
Sir, this is time consuming, so like I have to try for each option.
This
Is
one,
there-
no, this very less time this will come. If some simply should write, see, here you should write infinitely many solution. You know what is the equation for infinitely many solution?
Yes, sir.
Tell A1 by
AX plus
A2
B-
is
Yeah.
equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by 2. C2, you know that?
No, sir.
Acha, read only three formulas in here. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, this is for only one solution will come, only one solution. Okay. Or intersecting lines. Remember this.
Okay, sir. Only one solution will be there. A1 by A2 is
If
not
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then one solution will come and intersecting lines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. So this is for infinitely many solutions. Or you can say coincident lines, means all points lies on the same plane. Coincident lines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This is for parallel lines. Means no solution. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then it's a
One solution. Intersecting lines. Intersecting means if line will
So how-
intersect.
So how will you get one solution in that case?
Shortcut. This is shortcut part. If this condition arises, no. If you
It's a shortcut. Okay.
if you solve this one, you will get like one solution directly. I'm saying you. If this satisfies that. What is A1 and what is A2? The C here. This is the first equation, right? So A1 is the coefficient of X. That is A1 is equal to what? P. Directly I'm writing here P. A2 is the coefficient of X of the second equation. Divide by 12. Understood?
Yes, sir. X. Yes.
Then here B1 is the coefficient of Y. 3. And B1 is the coefficient of here Y. P.
the P.
So no need to take this C1, C2 here. From here only we'll get. So P square is equal to 36. So P is equals to plus minus 6 you are getting. But here is coming 6 and minus 6. Then you just see for C1, C2 also.
Okay.
So C1 is your minus P plus 3 divided by C2. C2 is minus P, correct? Minus P, see here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus 3 plus 2 and minus P. Yes, sir.
So just now you just do from here. So minus P and minus P is minus P square. Or here only you do no. Minus 3P is equals to minus P square plus 3P.
Sir, how did you solve it?
All three are equal to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
So this first two I got P is equal to plus minus 6. This one also you can check, this two or this two you can check.
Okay.
So you'll get the answer 6 or minus 6 you check from your side. Okay. Here actually we are getting 6 and minus 6 both because P square is equal to 6. So P is equal to what? Plus minus 6 both we are getting, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we just do minus P square is equal to minus 12P plus 36. Now we solve everything now. So P square minus 12P plus 36. So P you will get from here, you'll get minus 6 minus 6. So you'll get here 6 only. The answer is 6. It's not minus 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
Next is your see, next all two questions I'm leaving. This one is of this one called centroid part. Okay, Nihar.
Yes, sir.
So this much is enough. Centroid part will do later on. Centroid part you leave and go, no problem. Centroid part is I have not taught for class 10th. I should sit once for centroid, and centroid will take long time also. If it is coming in your exam, then that will take long time.
Okay, sir.
Only two questions of centroid I left. Everything is solved. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then could you do that triangle question once?
Which triangle question?
Sir, could you scroll up once?
1 minute. Yeah, tell me which triangle. This
Sir,
one.
above. No, sir. Above. Sir, above.
The same thing. That is only centroid now.
No, sir. Above. One more, sir. One more. Yes, sir. This one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
ABC is a point. BC. This is. I'm just taking photos, Nihar. I'll just later on just say because I'm having 7:45 class only. Class 10th I'm having today.
Okay, sir.
I'm just taking one photo of this. Let me see. By evening, if possible, I just send you the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's why this only triangle part is left out. No, this actually it looks very easy question. I don't know how it's big difficult tricky is coming. I don't know. Okay, then all of you can children leave for the day. I'll start some other classes now. Shriyanvi, okay? You are having doubts, Shriyanvi? You ask anything in WhatsApp and all you send. Why you're not sending, Shriyanvi?
I don't have any doubts, sir.
So don't have any doubts. Wow. Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you.
Okay,
all.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.